Right.
Did you guys do okay on the test?
Yeah. How about you?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. Is it's Austin, right? Is he coming?
I think so. Let's see. Should be.
I hope he's coming. Anyway.
Well, was there anything that you guys wanted to talk about for the prep?
The only thing that I didn't figure out the level of significance. Like for
Where?
the question, let's see. It was like in question 10, part D, and then part like.
Yeah, I didn't make it that far. I got 210 and then I had to stop.
Yeah.
I don't remember. I just remember earlier when it says like if the like about the level of significance, if you need to increase or decrease it. I just remember that part. I don't remember how you solve for it. Let me see.
It was just talking about how, like, comparing the p-value to the level of significance, and if like, if probability is like greater than it.
Well, it looks like it's kind of in between. I'm not sure. The level of significance is defined with that alpha sign, right?
Yes.
Okay. Because in the other question before that, it said like the level of significance was 0.01, and what was the probability of committing a type 1 error? That's kind of all it's talking about in this, in the reading.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I didn't really see anything.
I didn't see anything to solve for like the level of significance.
Yeah. Okay. Wasn't sure if like I just missed it or. But when I looked back, I don't think I saw.
Yeah. But it seems like it would be like kind of 1 out of 100, like percent, you know? It's like the level of significance is a probability, right?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Why does he say it's not working?
He says
It's really weird.
I feel bad. I just don't know what to say.
Oh.
What?
Try and open it on his phone.
I don't know. Yeah, nothing's on fire.
On your phone, right?
They're doing like, I don't know.
Try to.
You can't imagine the
Should we start the
Yeah.
quiz?
Sure. No, start close.
Wait, this is Google Hangouts, right?
Yeah, it's 30.
Yeah.
We can do Google Hangout.
Okay.
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 You guys all there?
Quiz. I'm there.
Okay. Question 3. Which hypothesis involves equality? Everyone got null?
Yep. That's the null. Normal
Okay.
goal.
Question 4. When computing the p-value, which hypothesis do you assume to be true?
The null.
So wait.
So when it says I was kind of confused about this. It says remember the p-value is obtaining a sample statistic at least as extreme as the one that was actually observed. So like it would be that one or greater. So would that be alternative or would that be null?
Wait, what? So it says I wrote down if the p-value is low, then it's reject the null. Is that what the question's wondering?
Yeah, well, because I would assume, like, as it says, the p-value is at least as extreme, so it would be that or greater. So, like, I know the alternative, like, is, I guess, greater than or less than, but null would, like, equal it. But I don't know, maybe I'm just talking. Does that question make sense, even?
Question 4. Yeah. It's just asking, like,
Oh,
when you calculate the p-value, and you calculate the z-score, then you have to assume that the null hypothesis is true
Oh, okay.
for that equation.
I think I get what you're saying. Okay.
so
In order for you to, like, calculate the p-value, you have to assume it's true first. Okay.
Yep.
so is it asking sample statistic? So it's the null hypothesis?
Mm-hmm.
Just the one?
Yes.
Okay.
Question number 5. Two tails, I say, is the not equal.
Yeah,
Two.
Yeah, because it's
Okay.
the two.
Yeah. Moving on. Question number 6. Left-tailed. That would be the less than.
So the first one.
Yep.
And then the second one for 7.
Would be the second one. Yep.
Greater than?
Question number 8. Which relationship would result in the failing to reject the null hypothesis when the p-value is greater than A?
Okay, I got that. See, that's what I was talking about, but maybe I just mixed those up.
Which relationship would result in rejecting the null hypothesis? U is
It's less than.
less than A. Yes. Question number 10.
Okay. Would it be the third one?
For which one?
Number 10.
Number 11 would be the first one.
Mm-hmm. So 12.
Question number 12.
Wait. Sorry.
I said the first one because it's greater than 30, right? Or am I wrong?
Yep. I think the same thing. First one.
We believe that it's equal to.
Question number 13. I say the central limit theorem.
I do too.
Wait, what was, sorry, I'm like trying just to read the questions. Are we on
Are
12?
you on, Julie?
12 and 13.
I just answered 11. Mm.
Do you understand?
But the simple, so because it's large, so it's the first one for 12, right?
Mm-hmm.
And 13, because it's, is that the central limit theorem?
Mm-hmm.
It'll have large numbers.
The central limit theorem.
Okay.
Which of the following is the test statistic as defined in this lesson?
Oh, is that the z square? Right?
I didn't understand that. What did you say?
And like on question 5 in the prep, I think it's the z score.
It is the z square.
Okay. The Z.
The z
Okay. Question number 15.
What was the z score associated with this test? Okay, I didn't do that. Okay.
I got negative 0.9.
That's what I got too.
I didn't get to do it yet. Sorry.
So it's,
Yeah, I don't know why it just worked. It's frustrating.
My screen on the quiz, and I didn't even know you were here until you just said
Oh,
that. Nice.
all of a sudden you're like, I did too.
yeah. I got here a little bit ago.
All right.
So wait, so to do this,
What'd
And
you
then
guys
the P value, I got negative 0.9.
for the z score?
Yeah.
How'd
Yeah.
you,
get? I did too. Negative
You
0.
plug it into the equation.
did you 144
Uh,
minus 150 divided by 40?
divided by the
Square root of 36.
root of 36.
Oh, the
Sick.
30, I forgot to do that part. So negative
Dang.
0.9.
And the p value, you just put
Is,
that into the normal probability. That's what you do.
yep. I got 0.184.
So
Right.
0.9.
What
And
if
is it,
you make about the null hypothesis for this problem?
wait, so for the, is it like, do you highlight both sides or just the greater than?
Just the left.
Left side because it's less than.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. So 0.184.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes. Question 17. Fail to reject the null hypothesis because the probability is higher than 0.05.
Because probability higher than 0.1. Wait. Oh, and it needs to be less than to be able to reject the null hypothesis.
Why do we fail to reject the null hypothesis? Okay.
The level of significance is 0.05, and to reject the null hypothesis, you need a probability that is less than that,
Okay.
but our probability was 0.18.
So we need to be greater than the level of significance.
Or less than to reject it?
If it's less than
To
that,
reject it needs to be less than.
okay.
Okay, so the probability needs to be really small to be able to reject the null hypothesis.
Okay. Question number 18. Said we have said the third one.
The third one.
Yep.
But the true population is 150. Is that what it was originally?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
The two types of errors. Rejecting the null hypothesis from the null hypothesis.
But
That's the type
one.
one.
rejecting the type 1? Okay.
The researcher decided that instead of using the 0.05, he uses a 0.01, which is the following.
Mm.
I said the probability of type 2 error will increase.
That's why you put 2.
Yeah. Okay.
Last question, I said 0.05.
How did you do that?
It's kind of like a trick question because if alpha equals 0.05, 0.05 is the probability, right?
Yeah.
So
Of creating. So it's just that 0.05.
yeah, that's what I think.
And then for question 20, how did you get that one?
You want to explain it, Riley?
I'm not gonna be able to do it as well as you can, but you go ahead.
My reasoning was, so type 1 error means that the probability will be like the level of significance. And since we're making the level of significance smaller, it's gonna like make it way harder.
To get it
Error.
less than.
Is that make sense, Julie?
So that means it would be more likely to be type 2.
Instead of
The probability.
like, probability of type 1 increasing, probability would decrease if you decrease the level of significance.
Because then there's more chance that the
Or the
probability will be
0.01.
greater than the significance.
Sorry, what?
Is it because, like, for the type 2 error, its probability is greater than significance?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. That's what I think. Might be wrong.
That makes sense.
Seems right.
Because the type 2 error is when the null hypothesis is false, and you're trying to prove that it is right.
Okay.
I think.
A type 2 is like you fail to reject the null hypothesis.
Which means it would be a larger probability.
So you
Oh, you're right.
it's true, but it's wrong.
That's what I was trying to say. Thank you. Awesome. Submit.
Good.
Submitting.
Woohoo.
100%. What up? Can I get some smoliolis?
Cool.
Just kidding.
Smolioli.
Smolioli. Thanks, Austin. All right.
Well,
Awesome.
good job, team.
Okay.
See you guys next week. Have a good weekend.
All right. See ya.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
Bye.